Today I'll walk you through how to build a CRM without Airtable using Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser to get started. We'll need to navigate to the Glide platform. Once your browser is open, go to the Glide website. This is where we'll be building our custom CRM. After you've landed on the Glide homepage, click on the Login button. You'll need to sign into your Glide account to access your applications. Now, open the app that you want to edit or create for your CRM. This is the canvas where we'll be adding our components. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a tauntip icon labeled Add in Navigation. Click on that to open up the component options. From the available options, select the context table as your data source. This tells Glide where to pull the information for this section of your CRM. In the right-hand sidebar, you can now choose a style for your contacts list. Glide offers various visual layouts to suit your preferences. With your contacts list styled, it's time to add more detail. On the left-hand sidebar again, click the .add component button. This time, choose to add a rich text component. This will allow us to display detailed information for each contact. Now, in the right-hand sidebar, configure the rich text component. You can decide what specific contact details you want to display here, like their name, email, or company. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the screen. This saves your changes and makes your CRM accessible. Thanks for watching! If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video!